Hi, welcome to my book review series. I'm going to review Tatiana Popova's The Seasons in Ribbon Embroidery. The book is written in English and in Ukrainian. I find book reviews to be really useful, particularly if you are buying online, as you don't really know what's inside the book until you buy it. The book includes project designs divided into 3 skill categories, and she organizes her designs under seasons: seasonal colors, seasonal flowers, seasonal holidays, and finally seasonal questions. One side of the page is English and the other side is Ukrainian. I did note a few English spellings and grammatical mistakes, but these are minor. You'll find yourself ignoring them. The introductory chapter, Read Me, covers the basics of ribbon embroidery, threading the needle with ribbons, and techniques to dye silk ribbons. The first chapter introduces you to color palettes and how to use photographs to inspire designs and differentiate color shades and tones. The designs start with the first chapter on colors focusing on owlets, an interesting and modern take on the use of silk ribbons for embroidery design. The book includes designs on the spring owlet, the summer owlet, autumn, and finally the winter owlet. All of her designs include what needle sizes, fabric, and silk ribbons are required, step-by-step instructions on the different ribbon stitches used, and close-up images. The second chapter, Seasonal Flowers, include designs of flower arrangements, and they are categorized by skill level. I myself bought 2 lovely kits that she sells on Etsy and her online shop Owl Crafts. This particular kit, called From Olga's Garden, I've completed, and images of it are included in this video at the end if you're interested. So, as I'd said, all of her projects and kits cover step-by-step guides, including for thread embroidery, as and when her designs require it. The book also includes detailed images of how to create the flowers with silk ribbons. Here's her design from Olga's Garden, the kit for which I bought on Etsy, and link is provided below. A picture of my completed work is on the top corner of this video, and I've included more pictures at the end. Olga's Garden project is meant for the advanced skill level, and it definitely tested my skills. I learned how to weave a basket with silk ribbons, for example, and how to create realistic rosebuds and full-blown roses, and it was super interesting and challenging. I'm eager to start the more challenging project called Autumn's Birthday, the kit for which I've also bought. The images are clear, and so I'm confident I'll be able to tackle this project. Another interesting chapter in the book is the design on the koi carp. Another one of Tatiana's modern silk embroidery designs, representing these beautiful koi fish in a pond using beautiful modern and abstract color schemes, which I find totally interesting. Now, towards the end in the chapter Seasonal Questions, the book includes a stitch glossary, both for thread embroidery and silk embroidery. I'll flip back a little to show you the instructions for silk embroidery. The very end of the book includes the photographs or images that you can transfer onto fabric and ribbon embroider above them. I find, however, buying the kit easier if you are unfamiliar with silk embroidery and don't have the supplies. All of Tatiana's kits includes the ribbons in sufficient amount to finish the projects. This was the first kit I bought, called Mother's Day, on Etsy, and the picture on the top left is my completed piece, also included at the end of this video. It was a really interesting project to tackle, where I had to dye some of the flowers. And finally, I bought the 12 Cups August Beginners Kit as well. Yes, I'm obsessed with Tatiana's work. I will be reviewing the kit and stitching and uploading my video on YouTube. If you buy this kit on Etsy, you can join me on YouTube and I'll be happy to be your stitch buddy as you complete this beautiful project. Do like this video if you found it useful. You can decide whether you want to buy this book or not online. Here's a peek of 2 of the kits that I've bought and completed. Hope this review was useful. See you again next time and thank you for watching. Do subscribe. Bye bye.